David Millard, our CEO, needs a staff announcement drafted, but he's too busy to take care of this himself. Sound familiar? Let's see how Copilot in Word can help David quickly draft a professional announcement for net result training staff.
So hello again. As Gina has just said, I am absolutely up to my eyes in it at the moment, and what I'd like to do is to get Copilot to help me draft an announcement. So I'm going to put the prompt in here. What do you want Copilot to draft? And I've actually got that written down so that I don't have to waste time typing it in. So I'm just going to copy that text now and paste it into the box. There we are. Draft a company announcement about net result training launching a new online course in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Highlight how it will help staff to be more productive and confident with AI tools. Let's see what it does. So I'll hit the little blue arrow and you can see that Copilot is working away in the background. I'll just move that out of the way so that we can see a little bit better. Okay, so here we go. That's quite a bit of information. Yeah, looks very good. But you know what? I think there's too much information there. Also, it's a little bit too pally. And while we don't want it to be stuffy, I think I'd like to make it a little bit more formal. So let's do that. I'm just telling Copilot to make it more formal. Let's see what that produces. Well, it's certainly formal, but it's still quite long. I'm going to click in the suggestion box again and say, make it bullets, because this is an announcement. I think I'm just going to do another edit here and say shorten. Okay, and that I think will do. So I'm going to say keep it, and there we are. We've now got our completed announcement, and it's only taken a couple of minutes to produce. So that's great. So what I'm going to do with this now is save it. Launch of Microsoft 365 Copilot online training. Good. So I'm going to save that now. Okay, so the announcement for Copilot has now been saved. That's how easy it is to get Copilot to give you a hand when you're short of time. So I hope you found that helpful. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye for now.